Stevenson Hall Canoe Trip, Part 2. Jeff Gluck is the first arrival. Da-da-da-da-da. 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 Coco Chin arriving on her first canoe trip.
She looks like she can help us. All we need to sit her head. We're totally shy.
Okay, Mait. Stick stand up. Hey, say hi. Here comes the Masters Jones and Madam Hillary in the middle. Da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Good work, Hill. I can see you did it all. Give us a little comment on Ron McBay.
There he comes, Ron William Patrick McBay, the athlete of the year of Stevenson Hall and of the rest of campus. He's coming in and doing quite well.
Ask that woman, you know. That woman? There's nothing we can do about it. That woman?
Take the Stevenson shirts together. Nice shirts. Lovely shirts.
Let's see it, guys. Come on, hurry up.
Everybody come in down.
Over here, Joe.
Look up here, Dan.
Day morning, June 2nd, and the campsite is deliberating whether to go into the river today or go back to Princeton, New Jersey and pack it in and just give up. They're discussing it. Heated debate is occurring in the Mait Jones camp over there as Dan Roxpress emerges. Mr. Roxpress. No, Mr. Roxpress doesn't have a comment. Bill Kobow is a fool. He does not know what he's talking about because Ira's canoeing. But Ira's going if they go. So Bill is not a freak. One of the people who is going.
This is it. The Stevenson Hall Canoe Trip, 1982. Stevenson managed pitching and moaning.
I think 8's not so many, considering we lost 18 last year. We're doing really well.
I'm real glad, because, like, we have lots and lots of food. If those other 8 people would be here, we'd be real short. How do you feel about that?
I feel like I already am real short.
Sir, how many people are you going for tomorrow?
5. He sunk 3 today, but tomorrow's going to be a good one. We're going to get 5. And they're never going to come back. Never.
So you don't have any teeth. You gotta go like that.
This is Joe Bernstein.
Joe.
Okay, go. Heading into the water. Back a little while, but this man is unreal. What does he do it for? Does he do it for...
Here we are, for the 3rd consecutive year. The rain has come in the morning of the 2nd day, but it's almost 9 o'clock and it starts to let up now, and they're making the decision whether or not to go. Tune in later.
not letting anybody leave.
It makes things easier. We don't have to worry about the cars or anything.
Yeah, they're just
All
all
options available. This is a totalitarian state. Shut that off.
Stevenson anymore.
Everybody.
What do you want to talk, Andy?
So basically, right now we have two drivers and.
Yes, two drivers going, no one else in the car.
Well, I don't know. Diane, but fuel efficiency, the Stevenson Hall group takes off down the river to Mini Singapore.